Praying for a job breakthrough but not seeing results, you're not alone. But what if I told you that combining faith with intentional strategy could unlock the doors you've been knocking on? Today, I'm going to share how to turn your prayers into promotions by blending spiritual wisdom with practical action. Stick around because I also have a toolkit that will give you the edge in your job hunt. Start with prayer and vision. The first step is to pray for clarity, not just for any opportunity. Ask God to guide you to the position that aligns with His purpose for your life. Be specific in your prayers. Proverbs 16:3 says, "Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and He will establish your plans." Your prayer should be the foundation for every move you make. If you're unsure about what role you're called to, pray something like, "Lord, reveal the job you have for me. Show me where my skills and my purpose align with your will." Write down any ideas or impressions that come to mind during this prayer. This will help guide your next steps. Research and prepare strategically. Prayer opens doors, but preparation gets you through them. If you're praying for a promotion or a new job, you need to do your part by researching the role, tailoring your resume, and preparing for interviews. So let's say that you're applying for a marketing job, but you don't have direct experience. Research what the role requires and highlight transferable skills. For instance, if you've coordinated events, that shows organization and communication, two key marketing skills. Pair that with confidence in the abilities that God has given you, and you're going to stand out. Tip: use tools like LinkedIn to study industry trends, network with professionals, and even find mentors who can give you insight into the field that you are pursuing. Follow up with faith and action. So the third step is to follow up, not just with the employers, but with God. After applying for a position or going through an interview, thank God in advance for His plan and keep moving forward. Waiting is not passive. Waiting is active faith. If you interview for a role, send a follow-up email thanking the hiring manager. While you wait for a response, ask God to give you peace and to prepare you for what's next. This mindset shifts your focus from anxiety to trusting in God's timing. Tip: write down affirmations like, "God is aligning the right opportunity for me," and repeat them when doubts creep in. Trust that your faith and preparation will yield results in due time. Faith meets strategy. Turning prayers into promotions is not about sitting back and waiting. This is about actively working while trusting God to lead the way. When you combine prayer with preparation, you're showing God that you're ready for the blessings that He has for you. I've created a toolkit to help you pair faith and strategy in your job search. It includes prayer prompts, a resume checklist, and tips for nailing your next interview. You can download it using the link in the description. Don't miss out. It could be the game changer that you need. Until next time, peace. Love you guys. Bye.